Emva kokuba abahlali bakwawadi 37 eGqeberha bebebambe uqhankqalazo phambi kwebala lezemidlalo, nalapho umasipala wesisixeko bebambe intlanganiso yebhunga kwiveki ephelileyo, basakhala ngokungafumani iinkonzo.
They said they were going to meet us here most today, 10 o'clock. Now, surprisingly, we sent them, they didn't phone to do any cancellations or anything. But now, as you send a message to the one lady, Georgina, because her number was given, she says now we must cancel this meeting. They didn't tell us prior they have a meeting. Now we must cancel this meeting, they're not coming. So we are so thankful and grateful that you people came to expose them. This is what they do every time. They call a meeting, we come as the community for them to hear our grievances. But when they don't come, then we look like the pop-up because we're standing here waiting for them to come and take the grievance so that they can fix where they can. But they're not here to give answers. So we don't have an answer to give also now to those people who's going to come back tomorrow and ask us, those who are at work, to give them we can't give them feedback now because the councillor is not here. He did not even himself give an answer or phone us to tell us anything. So we are standing here like this, waiting on them, and then last minute they're telling us they're not coming.
Last week on Wednesday, on Thursday, we met with your delegates there in the council meeting last week, promising us, including, what's her name? Georgina. Also including them, they're promising us they're going to be here 10 o'clock Wednesday, starts, it says, in eKleinskool. Now, we're waiting for them. They don't have the audacity to call us and saying to us, guys, in advance, guys, we'll not be able to attend because A, B, C, and D. We have to ask them what's going on. Why are you not coming towards your promise? You promised us you're going to have a meeting with us, but people are waiting for you because you promised them. Now they only tell us now, after we've asked them. Then they said, no, we can't come because we have to cancel due to we have a meeting A, B, C, and D.
Namhlanje abahlali bagqibe kwelokuba baye ofisini kaceba wabo uTyrone Adams bekukhalaza khona kodwa bave ukuba uceba kwintlanganiso yebhunga kodwa umncedisi kaceba ubaxelele ukuba uAdams uyazazi izikhalazo zabo kodwa ukuziswa kweenkonzo akukho sezandleni zakhe.
This what IDP currently, I can tell you someone now, currently in council, they are doing the budget. There's one ward, one ANC ward that is getting 108 million. There's one ANC ward that's getting 108 million. For your northern areas wards, you get 1.4 million and 100,000. Do you think that's fair? Ima kaloku. Wait. I told you, I'm telling you the truth. I'm not putting jam on your mouths. I'm telling you the truth, what is happening in the municipality. I'm also a municipal official. I'm also working for the municipality. But I'm telling you the truth, what is happening in this municipality. So, the coalition government of this municipality is the reason why you are here in front of the council office. This coalition government is the reason why you are here in front of the council office, because service delivery issues are unattended. They don't worry. I'm sitting with 155 water leaks. I'm sitting with 65, I'm sitting with 65 drain problems. So, die mense lê agter hulle jare daarso. I don't get service. Ek sit met 44. As die report, ek het nog aan half julle 44 electricity problems where there's temporary connections. I'm sitting with 11 informal settlements here. 11 informal settlements. This is the poorest of the poorest, the poorest of the poorest wards in the whole of the metro. But we are getting nothing. Now, the problem is, everybody is blaming the councillor. Yes, wait. Everybody is blaming the councillor. The councillor can only from our side. This is a municipal office, not a DA office, it's a municipal office. We are doing our municipal duty to report all your concerns to them. And if the officials and the municipality doesn't do their job, I am telling you, my darling, We can't interfere in the administration of this municipality because then we are doing wrong things.
Abahlali bafunge bamunqe into uphangelithi ukuba bafumana impendulo uceba ngomso baza kuyivala iofisi yakhe. Kwiindaba ze-MPK TV, ndinguLusi lwethu Antoni, eGqeberha.